Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Hare Krishna. Yasmat priya apriya viyoga samyoga janma Shokagnina sagalayo nishudahayamanaha Dukkaushadam tadapi dukkam atadhyaham Bhuman bhramami vadame tavadasya yogam. O Great One of Supreme Lord, because of the combination of pleasing and displeasing circumstance and because of separation from them, one is placed in a most regrettable position within the heavenly or hellish planet as a burning in a fire of lamentation. Although there are many remedies by which to get out of the miserable life, any such remedies in the material world are more miserable than the remedies themselves, than the miseries themselves. Therefore, I think that the only remedy is to engage in your service. Kindly instruct me in that service. So people have problems. Material world, nobody can live without problems. You say, I have very good friends. It's a story. You'll always will have friends. You'll also will have enemies. That's the nature of this world. Rather, more you start becoming successful, you will have more enemies. That's the nature of this world. Correct? If you have no enemies, means you are not successful. Successful person means a lot of enemies. People will become envious, jealous. Somebody's friend today will become enemy tomorrow. That's the nature of this world, the strange world. So nobody can say, I am in a peaceful condition. Nobody can say this one. Correct? It's a phantasmagoria in this world. There is always some trouble. It is true individually, it is true collectively, it is true as a country. We can say United Nations, they get together, let us make some solution. They should fight. It is not possible. So Prahlad Maharaj is seeing this reality even from the material platform. He says, whatever remedy we make to remove the misery is more painful than the misery itself. The nature of the word is miserable. Dukkhalem ashashvatam. And then you work hard to remove misery. Their hard work is more than the remedy, misery itself. We discussed this many times. You want to go from here to Bangalore. You can walk. Previous time what they did? They walked. Okay. There is some misery in it. Some discomfort in it. You have to walk every day. Actually, if you are in good health, just like we saw the Padayatra people, they maintain very good health by walking. You can walk every day 15, 20, 25 kilometers. Okay. So it will take you how much days? 300 kilometers. 300 means it will take you 12 days. 15 days you will reach. So you see, okay, so much misery is there. बड़ा कष्ट है. 15 दिन चलना पड़ता है. अरे कुछ हम रोड बना देते, बना दो. तो रोड बनाना मिजरी नहीं है क्या? पत्थर तोड़ने पड़ते हैं, तोड़ो. धड़ 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 धड़. उसके बाद उसको रोड में चलने के लिए गाड़ी भी बनाने का ना, बनाओ गाड़ी. धड़ 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 मिजरी. Actually, at the end of it, you keep studying. Then you make the vehicles. A vehicle हवा में तो चलेंगे. आपको पेट्रोल चाहिए, जाओ खोदने. Again misery. You dig in the middle of ocean. इंडिया में पेट्रोल कहाँ मिल रहा है आपको? मिडल ऑफ ओशन. कितना मिजरी है उसमें. श्री श्री राधा गोविंद की. So much work is there. And then you get petrol. There are world wars. Why every country is interested in Syria? There are so many countries in Africa. No house is there. People are running here. Lakhs of people are displaced. Nobody is interested there. But whole world is interested in Syria. Why? Oil is there. They have vested interest, everybody. Correct? All fights are happening and undercurrent is they're fighting for oil now. They just philosophically you think. We try to remove one misery. But actually the nature of world is to be miserable. You could not do it without the effort to remove misery was also miserable. And then finally you got vehicles, you got wars because of that. So many wars are fought because of that. And then after that, there is pollution, there are accidents. We didn't have. You're walking on the road, what accident you will have? आप चल रहे हो, मैं चल रहा हूँ, चलो एक पैर दूसरे के पैर में रख दे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खरोच आ गया, बस इधर तो लोग मर जाते हैं, और इतने नहीं, इतने लोग मरते हैं कि गिन नहीं सकते. एक्सीडेंट, बहुत लाइफ बहुत रिस्की हो गया. अभी रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हैं और कोई चढ़ जाएगा. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू हैव पॉल्यूशन एंड देन नाउ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. दिल्ली में इतना पॉल्यूशन है कि अगर आप दिल्ली में एक दिन रहते हैं मतलब 45 सिगरेट पीते हैं, ऐसा कुछ बोला. कुछ नहीं करना, हमने कुछ सिगरेट, कुछ लोग बोल रहे तो एक दो पी भी लो, वैसे ही पी रहे. सो सिचुएशन इज दिस नेचर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज मिजरेबल, एंड टू रिमूव मिजरी यू क्रिएट मोर मिजरी. जस्ट लाइक कभी बॉडी में बॉयल होता है, द डॉक्टर कम्स विद अ नाइफ टू रिमूव इट. That effort is more miserable than the misery itself. Therefore, you have to put chloroform to reduce the pain, because it is very painful when it cuts and removes. That's the nature of this world. Okay? Any angle you see, this world is designed to be miserable. You cannot get out of this. And that was understood. We explained this point. It is a design. Accept this design. Don't revolt against this design. Accept this design with whole heart. Krishna accepted. Because there's a medicine. There's a medicine. Whole life is like a medicine for me. Just like doctor gives a medicine, accept it. Now Ayurvedic medicines or allopathy medicines sometimes are very bitter. बहुत कड़वा होता है. ठीक है भाई. Accept it. It is for your good. The same way, accept the life. It may be bitter sometime. Accept it. It is as a medicine. Take it. Take it like a medicine. Like Prahlad Maharaj, his mother gave him poison. He took it as Krishna's mercy and took it. What can he do? Small boy, all surrounded by demons. And he said, Jahar piyo. He took it as Krishna's will. And Krishna protected him. That's a separate issue. So accept the whole life as Krishna's will. Then it is peaceful. But even then, even higher than that will be, Prabhupada says 3 times in this purport, transcendental devotional service. What kind of service? Transcendental loving devotion service. It is transcendental. Sentimental नहीं है ये. अभी हम भगवान की सेवा करते हैं. If it is sentimental, it cannot go for 2 days, 3 days. It will stop. Therefore, Prabhupada says is very, very important. The pleasure of serving Krishna without any return, that is called service. That transcendental loving devotional service is a gift by Krishna. That is bhakti. Prabhupada translates bhakti as devotion service, not that devotion. You can translate that devotion, that's fine. But then it's not practical. Devotional service. ऐसा नहीं भक्ति दिल में कुछ करो, सेवा करो भगवान का. So the devotion service cannot continue unless pleasure or service to the Lord is there. It cannot continue. We were discussing yesterday when Krishna plays the flute. We are reading the Gopis' pastime with Krishna, Ras Leela. All the gopis, whatever they are doing at home, they drop and run. So Prabhupada says there, when somebody gets a taste of devotional service, he drops all so-called kind of material duties, even if very urgent. He cannot do it because the pleasure of service Krishna just pulls people. Some gopis are feeding the children. They just left on the floor and ran. So same thing Prabhupada also did. Just like Krishna was playing flute, Prabhupada was doing kirtan in America in the park. Whole mass was seeing him. Thousands of youngsters were seeing him. And they were into so many ideas. Everybody had so many plans. I'll do like this, then I'll become like this. I'll do like this, I'll become like this. And they were never happy in those plans. You make any plan, lot of trouble is there. Lot of trouble is there. Just like an example is given. When you bring honey, a lot of bees will come to hit you. So the example is, in the metal world, greatest enjoyment is woman. So you go to bring woman, all brothers, fathers, all people will come, relatives will come to hit you. Nothing is available in this world without pain. That's the problem in this world. That's the nature of this world. So instead of trying to adjust this world, because even Devatas are not in peace. We are thinking Devata, they are having heavenly pleasures, yes, but Danavas are envious of that. They keep attacking their Indrapuri. He is always under attack. He has to keep protecting him. Star wars are going on. And we know that Indra had so many times, even his seat was taken away. Bali Maharaj took it away. Hiranyakashipu took it away. So many times the demons took it away. Even he is not in peace. Everybody is in trouble. But only way you can be in peace in the material world is take to transcendental loving devotion service. The transcendental is actually not sentiment. Transcendental is under Yogamaya. It is under Yogamaya. The same way when Prabhupada also was chanting Hare Krishna, it's under Yogamaya. So when people heard the chanting from pure devotee, they came to the platform of transcendental platform and they started engaging. Now there is one thing very, very important. When we stay on the material field, there is going to be fight. Just like I took the example of somebody like sees a beautiful woman, tries to bring for his enjoyment, there will going to be trouble. People will beat him up. So material world, if you stay on the material platform, there is going to be fight. But if you come to transcendental platform, there is no fight. Why? Because now only Krishna is the center. Krishna is the center now. The Krishna's satisfaction is the center. Therefore, there will be no fight. Prabhupada says that people fight when there is a personal ambition. The moment personal ambition comes, Prabhupada said, even in this moment, there is going to be a fight. But moment that is not there, when Krishna's satisfaction is the center, there will be no fight. Everybody will bow down because this is pleasing to Krishna. So, unless the society, the world, Prabhupada says United Nations, they are just united animals. Because they are staying on an animal platform and trying to bring peace. Very simple to understand. Suppose your dogs, we bring them together. Please sit down peacefully. It cannot happen. There has to be fight. So society, what they are doing, we are keeping people on the animal platform and wanting peace. Not possible. Therefore, Prabhupada said, it's not United Nation, United Animals. It will not work. Prabhupada said, let them first pass a resolution that to whom the earth belongs. They want to make peace on earth, but first to whom the earth belongs. And let them declare the earth belongs to God. Then there is a hope of peace. Then it will be a great step in transcendental loving devotion service for the whole world. Now we got a common cause to sacrifice for, a common cause to share. So in Krishna consciousness, there is, in spiritual world, there is no fight. So many devotees are there. Here in the material world, two people, there is always a misunderstanding. Even two people in any place, there will be misunderstanding. In a spiritual world, there are more people than in the material world. Not one, two, trillions, trillions, trillions. As many atoms are there, that many Atmas are there. You can't even count. Unlimited living entities are there in the spiritual world, but there is not a single fight. No question of any fight in the spiritual. Why? Krishna is the center. True? So if you build the society also as Vaikuntha, there will be no fight. Why? Krishna is the center. And in the spiritual world, what happens? There is one more Shakti of the Lord, Prakshipatmika Shakti. If somebody wants to create disturbance, she pulls it away. So similarly in material world also, the Prakshipatmika Shakti will keep pulling away people who are not serious in devotion service. Because once we are in transcendental loving devotion service, we are on another platform. But if you are on material platform, you cannot understand that. You look things in a very, very materialistic way. Therefore, when you fall down, first symptom is that we do not understand the benefit of association. We lose the even appreciation of that. What is that? Somebody is saying, what is there in house also I can do Krishna consciousness? I do. You already fallen down. You lost the taste of association of devotees, and that was what you made you Krishna conscious. You forgot. हम लोग सब भक्त बने साधु संग से ही, वही भूल जाएगा आदमी, because he has actually fallen down. See, nobody knows he has fallen down. He does not know. He has to know by symptoms. Even a pig is happy eating stool. He doesn't know he is in an unfortunate position. Pig को पता है सुअर को मेरी क्या दशा आ गई, उसको नहीं, वो तो बड़ा अच्छा हूँ मैं, बड़ा खुश हूँ. So one can know Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, when we are in asat-sanga, we should feel suffocated. We don't feel suffocated. When fall down, devotee sanga will become suffocating. And karmi sanga, अरे तो बड़े अच्छे लोग हैं तो क्या लोग मंदिर में बोलते हैं ये सब लोग दानव हैं, राक्षस हैं, इंद्रिय भोग करते हैं, अच्छे लोग हैं, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं. और भक्तों का समय घुटन होती है, क्या है ये लोग गिरने के बाद ये हालत होती है ना. हम तो वैसे ही थे ना, समाज में सबको तो अच्छा सोचते थे, बड़े अच्छे लोग हैं. Then we came to temple, oh, it's very nice. And then we go to society, they are all bad people, they are doing bad activities. And therefore, leaving that, we come to devotees association. Why we come to devotees association? Because, we get suffocated. These people are materialistic. Their only ambition is sense gratification. We should feel suffocated when we sit among them. We're not feeling suffocated, symptoms of fall down. And they feel very nice. अरे बड़ा अच्छा लोग है. और डिवोटी के संग ओ बड़ा घुटन होती. जब कर रहा है ये सब पूछते रहते, तंग करते रहते. This is very suffocating. So actually we should be very understand, and it may be great illusion, but always be sure material life means fight. There will be fight in the material life, because material life is nothing. Each person wants to become a hero. And spiritual life, there is only one hero, Prabhupada, in this ISKCON movement, and Krishna. As our Acharya, he is a hero, and Krishna. Our real hero is actually Krishna. And anybody who is Acharya, who is representing the Lord, also becomes our hero. Simple. There is no need to create many heroes. We already have a hero in the movement. Correct? This person is the hero, that person is the... Don't waste your time. It is said, suppose you appreciate somebody's qualities, and those qualities are not actually established in his heart, you are only doing open flattery and wasting your time. Correct? Vasa, don't waste your time. Those qualities should be deep in the heart, then you should talk. Then it is wonderful. Those qualities should be a realization. Then you talk. Otherwise, simply don't waste time. Somebody will say, yeah, he's like this. Somebody say, no, he's not like that. वैसा नहीं है उसमें ये भी. क्यों टाइम बर्बाद कर रहे हो अपना? हीरो है अपने पास. हीरो है कृष्ण. उनका बात करो. करे? अब किसी का बढ़ाई करने को पता है बहुत अच्छा है वो. अरे तुमको ये पता है क्या वो ये भी करता. अरे क्यों अपना टाइम बर्बाद कर रहे हो? हीरो तो रखे ना सामने. क्यों ये जैसे why you are trying to create artificial heroes? The heroes are already there. Fix yourself in transcendental platform, and then you will be able to unite. We already have the center to unite. In the moment we have Srila Prabhupada to unite, we have the Supreme Lord Krishna to unite. So the whole movement becomes very peaceful when their satisfaction becomes the objective of life. Then it is very, very peaceful. Okay? So on the material platform, Prahlad Maharaj is feeling, his father is thinking he's unfortunate. He said, before killing him, before trying to kill him, he could not kill him. What did he say? Oh, most unfortunate Prahlad Maharaj. Because thinking that he'll lose the empire. Now finally, father died. Now Krishna can offer him all the empire. And Narasimhadev. But he's thinking, what is the so-called pleasing situation to be the emperor of the world and displeasing situation to be? They're all useless. Everything is misery. Prabhupada says in the purport, so-called comfortable position and miserable position is all misery only. There is no happiness in this world. Just like in India, people are all dreaming. We will go to West. We'll be very happy. Correct? Are the people in the West very happy? Prabhupada was joking this. Oh, everybody in India think America is a heaven. You are all residents of America. You know what kind of heaven it is. You know what kind of heaven it is. So this all goes on. People do not keep dreaming. So actually there is no comfortable position in the world. We are living in a miserable position. And Prabhupada says again, 3 times in one purport. Take to loving transcendental devotional service. Now this loving transcendental devotional service will arise by various factors of bhakti, and primary being Shravanam. If that is in place, we come to the transcendental platform. And once we come to the transcendental platform, wonderful Vaishnava qualities will start manifesting in our heart. And then we will be very happy and peaceful. Srila Prabhupada ki. Hare Krishna.
भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। विश्वपाद वंश परिचार्य भक्त सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोसाई महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय।